boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Magandang gabi mga kaliga! Welcome to the Laguna Velvet Cup Intertown Basketball Tournament. It's the battle for third place, Santa Rosa City versus Los Baños City. I am Yvette Cabantog, your courtside reporter from R1 Sports Velvet Media, and we are here at Jose Rizal Coliseum. Kasama natin ngayon ang head coach ng Santa Rosa City, Coach Raymond Ferrer, at ang head coach ng Los Baños City, Coach Tech Voiles. So mauna tayo kay Coach Raymond Ferrer ng Santa Rosa City. So Coach, ano ang mga naging preparations nyo for this game?
Actually, our preparation for the whole tournament, kasi medyo maliliit yung mga players namin. So more on speed, more on defense. Yun lang naman ang ginawa namin na preparation for the tournament.
Alright. Ano po sa tingin nyo, Coach, ang naitulong nitong liga na to for your team and for every basketball player and supporter out there?
Yun nga nagpapasalamat ako kay Cap JJ tsaka sa Velvet South Basketball League. Malaki yung malaking opportunity to sa mga player, lalo na yung age bracket kasi 21 under. So most of them are collegiate players. And I'm sure there are scouts here or dun sa mga previous games na pinaglaruan namin. Madidevelop yung skills nila, yung composure nila, how they play the game. So yun yung malaking may tutulong nitong liga na to.
Tama po. And may gusto pa ba kayong pasalamatan? Any sponsors, families, and supporters?
Yes. Una-una, I would like to thank the Lord Almighty. Binigyan na kami pagkakataon para makapaglaro dito sa tournament na to. Yung wife ko, si Christine, tsaka yung assistant coach ko talaga, yung anak ko si Caleb. Thank you, anak. Tsaka pala yung mga sponsor namin. Unang-una, kay Congressman Roy Gonzales, sir. Maraming salamat po sa naitulong niyo sa amin. Sa ating mayor, sa Mayor Arlene Arcillas, maraming salamat po. Sa Vice Mayor namin, si Vice Mayor Arnold Arcillas. Kay City Councilor Nino Villanueva, kay City Councilor Carmela Mela Gonzales, kay City Councilor Tessa Ala, kay Barangay Puno Santa Cruz, Barangay Captain Christopher Sarmiento, kay Barangay Tagapo, Barangay Captain Etaw Caravana, sa mga private sponsors po namin, kay Sir Hans Angeles ng Fit Lab Santa Rosa, Swedish Indian Cuisine sa Westgate po yun, kumain po kayo doon, napakasarap po doon. Kay Ninang Len Rega Blanca ng UE International, kay Mr. Abner Barairo ng AbConnect Construction Services, kay Attorney Romero Aloado ng City Sangguniang Panglungsod ng Santa Rosa, kay Mr. Rowan Gonzales ng Barangay Balibago at ng Office of the Law District of City of Santa Rosa, kay Russell Villamin, sir, thank you, kay JP Pingol ng TGP, kay Alexis Francisco, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At saka po sa R1 Sports PH, kay Kuya, sa Kuya R Basketball, dun sa company ko po, dun sa One and Done Sports Management at saka sa One and Done Enterprises. And lastly, maraming salamat po sa people of Santa Rosa. We have accomplished our goal. These players will be better and will be better as a person, and they will be smart. And yun nga po, tulad ng sinasabi ko, na i-represent po natin ng Santa Rosa sa napakalaking liga. At I'm sure lahat po tayo proud po sa na-accomplish namin. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, and thank you so much, Coach Ferrer, and good luck on your team. So let's head over to Coach Tech Voiles ng Los Baños City. So Coach, ano ang mga naging preparations ninyo for this game?
Ayun, sa preparation naman namin, from elimination naman to semis, naging maganda yung run namin. Yun pa rin yung bit-bit namin kung saan yung nakilala yung Team Los Baños sa hustle, syempre yung defense namin, yung offense naman darating at darating naman yan basta magawa namin ng tama yung sa defense. Kagandahan naman dun sa mga players namin, kahit pa paano, may mga schools na pinag-iensayuhan nila, kaya kahit pa paano, yung conditioning nila, mas tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Yes, and ano sa tingin mo, Coach, ang naitulong ng Liga for your team and for every basketball player and fan out there?
Dito sa Velvet, sobrang nagpapasalamat kami kasi napakalaking opportunity nito para dun sa mga players namin, lalo dun sa mga aakit nga sa collegiate. Kasi yung age nila 21 under, so yun yung age na kailangan na nasa college college level ka na. Kumbaga, ito yung isang chance para mas makita sila ng mga nag-scout na coaches na pwedeng makuha ng mga schools na yun lang. Yun nga, dahil maganda yung nakikita ng mga tao yung buong suporta sa sports pagdating sa Los Baños din po.
And one last thing, Coach, may gusto po ba kayong pasalamatan?
Una-una, thank you kay Sir JJ Maghirang para dun sa Velvet na napakagandang liga naman talaga. Then, ayun, sa sponsor namin kay Sir Glenn Chavez, sa GTG Foundation, kay Ma'am Trish, sa LBDL family, sa lahat ng coaches ng LBDL, lahat ng coaches ng Los Baños, then sa mga LB supporters, nagpapasalamat din kami sa family nila na talaga namang kahit saan ang venue ng game namin ay lagi silang nandun. Then, nagpapasalamat din ako sa family ko na lagi rin nandyan para nakasupport sa akin, si Patricia, si Patrick, si Terence, then si Riley. Thank you din kay Vice Mayor Marlo PJ Alipo na talagang all out din sa support pagdating sa Los Baños team. Then kay Mayora Baby Sumangil Evangelista, thank you din po sa Vice Mayor's Office na nagpo-provide ng sasakyan para may service yung mga players namin. Yun lang, sa lahat ng mga hindi ko nabate, pasensya na kasi sobrang dami din talaga. Gusto ko nang patuloy na itong laro para
Alright, so thank you so much, Coach Tech, and good luck on Team Los Baños. That's it, mga kaliga, the coaches of Santa Rosa City and Los Baños City. Good luck on both teams at magsisimula na po ang ating game.
Thank you so much. All that nice catch up with our premier coaches, Kuya Ryan. Napakagandang interview ang pinakita sa atin nito si Ms. Yvette Cabantog. Again, our sponsors for tonight. We will be taking, of course, WCA Travel.
Marami tayong sponsors.
Yes. Siyempre, nauna na yung mga sponsors natin. Yan po ang ating puting Mayor Rosizal, tapat magsilbi, Dugong Bayani. Maraming salamat po for letting us use this venue. Sa ating finals game and battle for turn. Ang shoppers sa spot. Rib Sarap. Tikman na sarap ng Rib Sarap. Ang certified viajeros. Ang Kuya Word Cafe Brotherhood Barbershop na co-concept by RC Boy Princena. Kasama rin ang Jay's Sublimation and printing services by Coach Jonar Hassan-Reno.
And now let's see the starters for Los
So this is one of the premier matches that we will be having tonight. Isang makasaysayang hapon ang paparating at isang makasaysayang gabi ang makikita ng lahat ng fans natin in the Velvet Intertown. Sisimulan yan ang Los Baños at ng Santa Rosa.
At alam mo, diba, first time kong ginawa yun. Analyst na announcer pa.
Oo nga eh. Medyo maganda yung pagkaka-venue announcer. Look here, Ryan. I don't know you have that skill.
Of course. At syempre, Dave, pakilala natin ating turn-up member natin para bukod kay event. Syempre, pakilala natin yung isang assistant coach, also head coach ng R Sports sa R1 Sports sa NDSL. Nandito si Coach Ron Ferrer. Coach Ron?
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Coach Ron ng R1 Sports. I'm happy to be here, Dave and Ryan, to give game analysis later. Sige, Ryan, go back to you.
Well, eto, unang 5 i-deploy ni Coach Tech for Los Baños. It's Hinil, Turijanos, Galang, at etong si Allen Lacab. On the side of Santa Rosa, we have Franco, Manumbas, Ignacio, Evangelio, at etong si G. Tintano.
At alam mo, si JP Evangelio, nakakover ko sa R1 Sports. I've seen him improve. At nakausap ko yung coach ng R1 Sports. We expect that Evangelio can explode. Katulad niya, mutik na pumasok na niya unang 3-point shot.
Speaking of that explosion, Japoy Evangelio was really a sniper on their game between San Pablo, pero nanaig yung kapalarang ng San Pablo doon. At siyang San Pablo nakabook na ticket to the finals. Nabasasaksiyan po natin maya-maya lamang. Libo-libong tao ang nanonood dito sa loob ng Rizal Coliseum.
Oo, tsaka mapapansin natin, yung mga losses nila, nobody have scored more than 70 points. So we expect that in this particular battle for third, medyo magkakaroon ng ang tagal tayo ng delay, pero for the second for sure, both teams will catch fire.
Let us see. Still, we haven't got any point after 2 minutes having gone by. Ignacio will try to attack the baseline. Nakuha na yung Tejano. Nice defense on the part of Lockup. And there's a foul early for G. Tintano.
So, unang foul pa lang yan, pero parang importante dito sa R1 Sports kailangan pigilan nila yung mga fast break Los Baños because the last time Los Baños have won in the playoffs, they have 20 fast break points.
Tejano. Keep it to Galang, who bounces it to DJ, and Galang will score the first 2-pointer of the game.
So far, Los Baños is in total, they are number 3 in assists, averaging 16.5 per game.
Well, syempre, ang pinakamagaling assist natin yan, nasa Kalamba, it's Roper Dada.
Syempre, kaya sila nandito sa finals.
Manumbas on the move, kicks it on the middle. Nang dinlang pa, etong si Ignacio, when he lost it, what a tap! Coming from Rihano and all the way to the cup, he pushed it up and under his good para kay CJ.
That's how you create a shot on Duressa.
For 0, there's another steal, and Hinil will make it a 6-0 run for LD.
Nakausap po nga kanina si Coach Ron, pero ang laging problema ng R1 Sports, pag pinipresyo sila ng kalaban, lagi sila nakakakumit ng turnovers.
Well, isa pang malaki problema dito ni Coach Raymond, the strongest player he has for Santa Rosa, which is Alan Gambuak, hindi makakalaro. Dahil nung huling laban nila against San Pablo, malala yung naging injury sa leeg. Ito si Alan Gambuak. Hindi naman siya nabalian doon. Pero yung muscle pain, and nung nakausap natin si Alan dahil hindi siya nga makakapaglaro for Santa Rosa in the battle for third, may iniinda pa rin siyang konting sakit doon sa kanyang kanang leeg.
At alam mo yung mga injuries na ganyan, it will take about 3 to 6 months to recover as we see this foul.
Hindi pa rin nakakapagdala itong Santa Rosa and Los Baños down at 6-0. Muli po, pinasasalamatan natin ng butihing Mayor Ross Rizal ng Kalamba. Tapat magsilbi dugong bayani kasama si Congresswoman Cha Hernandez at Vice Mayor Toti
At
Lazaro.
syempre, patiin natin si Boss JJ Magna, pinapabate. Of course, ang number 1 Senator, malasakit ng bayan, Senator Bongo.
Japoy Evangelio will light up the situation. Unang trasyan para kay Sniper.
See, I told you so. JB Evangelio will explode.
Well, tignan natin. 5 3-point shots yung pinakawalan. Pero sinagot lang. And another 3-pointer coming from LB. And it's Yuan Henil. Make it again a 6-point lead. A steal from CJ. He fits this, bro! Gets that basket. May kasama bang foul?
At mukhang meron tayong timeout.
Mapapahilig ng timeout etong si Coach Raymond. After the 5 or almost 6-0 run. That pass break.
ay hatid sa atin ng AG Sports Apparel, the official outfitter of the Velvet Media Productions.
Timeout is brought to us by WCA Travel.
Ikaw na
Leave the world.
Hindi kita marinig. Kaya na gano'n ako, hindi kita marinig. Officials time out. Pakiayos lang po yung ating shot clock. All!
So right after that timeout, ibang klaseng run yung gustong gawin dito ng LB kaya Ryan. No? They've delivered two steals already for Los Baños. At nakabigay sila ng 5 o almost 6 na natin dahil last tira sa 3-point play opportunity.
That's 6 of the 8 points coming from fast break. At makikita natin talaga ang Los Baños. They're really well prepared to force turnovers. At syempre, binabati ko lang yung kasama ko kanina from Boy Scout of the Philippines, Mr. Paul Ryle de Leon from Boy Scout of the Philippines. They will celebrate the Asian Jamboree in December. So nandito sila ngayon supporting Velvet Laguna.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo and happy viewing sa ating napakalaking venue. This is 10,000 seating capacity.
Yes.
At patuloy yung pagdagsa ng mga fans natin dito.
At pumasok yung bonus free throw partner.
So we still have less than 5.5 minutes remaining in the first quarter. And that is 9-0. 9-point lead as the sniper will try to bury some three. Ignacio was there to catch it and put it down.
Magandang offensive rebound doon. Walang nag-box out doon kay Ignacio. That's his first 2 points for Santa Rosa.
Medyo nahirapan na San Pablo sa kanila the last game on semifinal kasi bukod kay Ignacio, meron silang Alan Gamwak. 2 people are dominating yung depensa at opensa ng Santa Rosa.
Yes. And Dave, nakita natin dito for the part of Santa Rosa, spread out na ang kanilang depensa. Hindi sila nagko-concentrate sa isang tao lang para bantayan.
Now JB will give it back to Isbro. Triple again coming from CJ Isker.
Alam mo, partner, como kanina pa sila nagpa-practice dito, mukhang kabisado na nila yung kota.
Well, somehow Rejanos are part of our top 3-point scorers in the conference. The sniper will try to make some noise mula dun sa free throw line. Nakuha ni CJ. And now Rejano on the push. Justin Bryan with a spin. And there's a clear contact with Franco.
At si Heril ay check-in para sa Los Baños. Siyempre, mga nanonood sa atin sa Cebu, maayong gabi na. Kanyang tala, binabati yung aking girlfriend, Sunshine. Give me love you so much. We'll see you in a couple of months.
Dumadag sana yung mga fans natin and napuno na yung ilalim. Yung itaas naman ang mapupuno, third level na, ha? Tejano on the attack, working against Pete. CJ on the move, and it's Merrill. Bukan si Japoy, maiimbestigahan dyan, ha?
At medyo 14 fouls na dito ang Santa Rosa. At papasok dito si Alvarez.
So muli po ang timeout na yun. Ihatid sa atin na WCA Travel. Travel your dreams.
Thank you so much.
Make a difference. Mamaya nga sasauluhin ko yung tagline eh. Ang ganda ng tagline ng WCA. Eh syempre natin din sa atin ng cool concept by RC Boy, Prince Senna.
At si Lopez ay check-in. Ang mga net natin dito, Dave, masyadong balabot. Pagka konting switch lang yung umaanangkala na sa ibabaw ng ring.
So maya-maya po ang makasaysayang laban ng San Pablo at Calamba ay masasaksihan ng libo-libo nating mga fans na nanonood ngayon dito sa Jose Rizal Coliseum. First quarter of action, lamang dito ang Los Baños ng 12.
Exactly 4 minutes remaining.
Ignacio, Rigoro Bell. Ray, Kirikolis Sugar. Pumunta siya kay Franco, aatakihin itong JB. Mahihirapan and Lopez! Runs out of time at dahil dyan, mapuputokan sila ng 24.
Medyo hindi natin kita yung shot clock because ang ating scoreboard ay nandun mismo sa ating camera. So it will be our job as a venue announcer at yung ating main venue announcer sa venue na maibigay na kung 10 o 5 man lang sa shot clock.
CJ will pick it up, puts up a left-handed finish. And just like that, Los Baños is up by 40 now.
Grabe ang inside scoring dito ng Los Baños. Talagang they're pouring it on in this game.
Well, isang karangalan para sa dalawang koponan na yan. Ang makuha yung kahit third spot, dahil napakaganda rin ng mga legendary games nila. With those two finalists na masasaksihan natin mamaya.
Exactly.
Hinil, nangalambag na this time.
At syempre mamaya, Dave, after the finals, tayong dalawa mag-host ng awarding ceremonies.
Mamaya.
At ngayon si Hanaba naman for Santa Rosa ang papasok para naman sa Los Baños. We have Blanco checking in.
Aaron Ignacio, susubukang alisin sa pagkakakadena dyan sa 5 puntos itong Santa Rosa.
Actually, si Aaron Ignacio, yung performance niya sa NDSL, hindi naman masama. He's averaging about 6 points, but look at this, 11 rebounds per game. He's a player who is quick but can also crash the boards.
Well, ang isang magandang tignan sa statistics netong si Aaron Ignacio. We know that medyo malaki talaga siya. He has that height advantage. Yung dribbling skills are okay as well. At isa to sa mga dominant players dahil yung laro niya, 12, power forward eh.
At makikita mo sa pangatawan niya, kung nagpapalakas ng katawan, so his shot selection and defensive playmaking are getting better.
Now he's trying to fill out Alan Gamwak's role dahil hindi nga makakalaro yung pinakamahusay na player dito ni Coach Raymar. Blanco steps in the middle, he puts it up, he tips it, Lagares will pick it up, pero naputokan din sila ng 24.
Yes, partner, hindi tumamasa rin yung huling tira ng Los Baños, so their turn to have a shot clock violation.
So now, Dedicatoria will replace Franco, kasama po nila sa loob. Etong si Bao, Hintano, Bao, Hanaban, Lopez, Ignacio, kontra kay Lagares, Blanco, dalawang Rejano at Hinir. As Aaron will get a quick response on that side.
Well, the Santa Rosa team now loves to pick their spots. Whoever is open, pasa kagad, hindi sila nagsasayang ng oras. There's a big shot from outside. And a turnover.
That's 21-8. Still have 2 minutes. 2 minutes first quarter. Tignan natin kung makabangon pa itong Santa Rosa. Christian on the move. Drops it to Ignacio. Nahuli ni Hanil ng konti. But Ignacio don't want to give up on that side.
Ayan, nagsignal na ako na 2-minute warning para alam ng mga tao na papatapos na tayo ng first quarter.
Multitasking yan, Brad. Kuya Ryan.
Yes.
You're a venue announcer and also you are in the commentary with me. How does it feel? Pero nag-start din kasi ako sa ganyan eh. Sa pagiging venue announcer. And etong Jose Rizal Coliseum na to, ito is so far yung pinakamalaking arena na pag venue announceran ko. Alam na alam ng mga taga-Kalambayan.
Exactly.
Yung mga unang-unang supporters ko rito is from taga-Kalamban.
That's right.
Kaya po muli, maraming salamat sa aming butinging Mayor Ross Rizal. Dapat magsilbi, dugong bayani. Dedicatoria picks it up from the middle. Lumipad.
Sayang.
But he misses that. Layup though. JB lost it as well. Nandun yung kanyang kapatid to save that ladder. You wanna kick it back out mula kay Hinil. Ignacio all the way through. Aiden misses. Ends up with CJ. JB will feed Blanco.
It's a foul.
Huli sa likod pero may foul pala.
Well, penalty na po ang Santa Rosa. So it will be free throws para sa Los Baños.
Oh, look at Eric John. Well, pag-usapan natin yung mga key players ng Los Baños. Maganda yung naging game nila with Calamba. It's the final miss of CJ Rejano. You saw that layup, yung inapod natin sa page natin.
It's a very close game,
Very
partner.
close game. Pero ibang klase. The NSG spirit is with those guys.
Nandun.
Hanaban. Kontra dito kay JB. 6 to shoot. Chris needs to make a decision. He's looking for bow. And from that side of the floor, mai-investigan. Itong si CJ.
Oh, may hana hawak yun. At may ceasefire tayo, partner.
Coach Tech with final 42 seconds to end his first quarter. Hihiling pa ko siya ng timeout dito. Pumabalik po tayo after the break.
Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, liga.
Sumabay, sumakdak, tumalon, sinako, tumigre, tumilayot nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hook ng lupet, mutos-mut, pasok sa galawang patika na ikaw ang bila.
Velvet D-League Basketball, liga.
So Kuya, as what you've mentioned, sabi nga ni Coach Tech, ang gusto nila ibuhos na lahat dito. Because this is their final chance magkaroon ng slot, o magkaroon ng title in the Velvet Intertown. They're battling for the third position, or for the third place. At ito natin kung magtuloy-tuloy ang pressure na binibigay dito ng Los Baños. Hanaban, iniwan kay Lopez. Ran out of the board.
Pero legal yun.
With Hinil, here comes Eric John. Ooh! He lost his balance. Traveling yun.
Oo, matik. Ayun,
Matik
sinabi ko
yun.
na kung paano kung pag-venue announcement yun.
20 seconds. The last possession would be in Santa Rosa, but that ball was too high coming from Ray. It turns out to be a possession for Los Baños.
So 13 seconds na. Last shot na dito ang Los Baños, partner.
12 seconds. CJ. Torrejano. JP. Lost it. No, CJ wanna try to steal it. Hanaban at the buzzer. May extra pas pa eh. Alam mo, hindi makakapit yun.
Pag pinasa niya ang bola, wala nang oras.
What a first quarter as LB will establish a 13-point lead, 23-10. Pagpapalik po tayo sa ating second quarter action.
Bola kapag hindi mo na kaya, buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast. Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitry. 3 lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumaya pa.
So once again, we are live at the Rizal Coliseum. This is Battle for Third. Dave Sapinosa po, kasama si Kuya Ryan Pajaro.
Second quarter.
Los Baños taking on Santa Rosa. Early first quarter, magandang run ay binigay ng Los Baños. Dahil nga naka 13-point lead sila. At sa pagpasok nitong si Losada sa loob, together with Dedicatoria, Anaban, Lopez at Ignacio. Kontra dyan kay Blanco, Navarez, Pesigan, Henil at Baltasar.
At Dave, doon sa first quarter natin, ang nangyari doon, they have 12 fast break points dito sa Los Baños. Now, kailangan nilang maging dito. Sometimes, if they're too excited, katulad nung nangyari doon sa missed basket, nagkaroon ng warning for delay of the game.
So let us see if Santa Rosa could bring some daylight. Ignacio up the secondary, finger on the scale.
So yun, si Aaron Ignacio nakascore ng basket.
That cuts down the deficit back into 11. Pesigan pulls up a long one. Rio Ubra. Ignacio. Degoro Hanaban. Back to Chris. Lopez naman. Punches it through.
3 points.
Chris Lopez will bury some threes. That is a 5-0 run na para sa Santa Rosa, Kuya Ryan.
Ginamit nila yung kanilang outside sniping at saka yung magandang playmaking sa half court.
Where earlier we saw Japoy Evangelio, no, lights up the situation. Pero buwang hindi pagsasabayin sila dito ni Lopez. Sabi lang banda, Pesigan, second attempt. Nakapasok na rin ang 3.
Yes, ito nakaagaw pa.
Oh, there's a steal from McRain. Tavares had a piece of it. Ends up with Chris. And now Dedicatoria will try to feed Losadas. Eric. Oh, that is an intentional what do you call it? Banging body fit.
Hindi pwede yan, Dave, kasi kailangan i-protectahan mo yung katawan mo na hindi mo i-use ng sobrang elbow.
Well, yung nangyari kay Hinil talagang intentionally binanggaan niya while running.
Sobrang elbow masyado. Turnover.
Navarez. With the fake. Naagawan sa likod dito si Anaban, Baltasar, and Alan Lacap. I'll try to trap him. Pero naitawid naman agad yan Santa Rosa. Lopez. To Dedicatoria. Baseline pass to Ignacio. That pass is broken.
At partner, in this 7 on the shot clock, pakinggan naman natin si Coach Ron Ferner. Ron, anong basa mo sa first quarter on R1 Sport, Santa Rosa in Los Baños?
Yeah, ganito yung nakikita natin, no? Base dun sa mga plays nila. So usually ang Los Baños, they're really attacking the basket. So maganda rin yung ball rotation nila. Plus yung makikita natin, partner, spread yung full court defense. So ito yung mga nakitang advantage in terms of the Los Baños. Now we go to Santa Rosa. They need to have a defense scheme na ma-adjust nila. Hopefully they could go with the 50-50 ball also. Tapos lessen nila yung unforced errors. Ito yung dapat tignan na Santa Rosa na to be back in the ball game. So I'll be going back to you, Ryan and Dave.
Thank you so much, Coach Troy, on that nice insight. Well, yun naman talaga yung nakita natin din eh. Lot of errors is being committed on the side of Santa Rosa. Imagine just basic passing na lang, trying to take the ladder across. Hindi pa nakuha kanina eh. Less 27 seconds. Yun, nauwi pa sa Los Baños yung...
Well, ma-improve nila yun. Ma-turn on yun into a more productive way of scoring. They'll have a better chance.
At least an 11-point lead. Intano with the left-handed triple. That would have worked. Allen Gives it back to Pesigan. He's running with Kobe. Lontok with the beauty. What a move para dito kay Kobe Lontok as he re-established a 13-point lead para sa LB.
Ngayon, ito ang problema ng mga players. Kasi, halimbawa, nakascore nila yung basket, hawakan nila yung bola ng pagkatagalgal. Eh, pangalawang infraction na yan ng Los Baños for delay of the game.
So 2 infractions will be resulting to a technical.
That's right. Karaniyan kanina at the first minute pa naman ng second quarter.
So tignan natin, baka madadala itong LB after that technical call.
You know, Santa Rosa is a second half team, kaya medyo nahihirapan ang Santa Rosa ng first half.
Quintano with a floater, that's a miss. Fast break, broken. Hanaban, nakita si Ignacio for the 2 points. So as much as they want to cut the deficit back into a single digit.
Now they need to play tough defense.
Tough defense talaga, even without having Alan Gamwak doon sa side ng Santa Rosa. Napansin na po natin yan. Oh, what a slice coming from Pesigan.
And Andrew Gires pa yun, dalawa pang bantay niya, nakatukot pa sa ilalim.
Well, yun yung mga stunning guy yan. Mga mahusay humanap ng angulo. Off the glass. Would it work para kay John?
Si Manambas will check in on the next dead ball.
Lock up. Jolens ulit. Pangalawang beses. Di ubra.
That's 2 blocks. Ayan yung sinasabi ko. Tumindi na ang depensa.
Lopez on the other side. Will take the back round.
So it's a 10-point lead now for Los Baños. 5-0 run partner ng Santa Rosa.
1,000+ people alive inside Jose Rizal Coliseum dahil malapit-lapit na ang inaabangan nating baka sayang laban ng Calamba at ng San Pablo. Look at Baltasar, nakalusot na naman sa depensa ng Santa Rosa.
That time, maganda naman depensa ng Santa Rosa, kaya lang nagkalituan sa kung sinong babantayan nila yung open lane. Oh, nice pass.
Nice pass.
So as an update partner,
yeah,
partner, yung Los Baños already have 6 assists, Santa Rosa has 5. So medyo dikit ha?
Dikit lang sa mga assist, dahil again, isa sa mga players ng Santa Rosa dito, which is also a good point guard. I'm talking about Mix Martinez.
Yes.
Hindi pa rin natin nakikita yung dinidet mo dyan, ha? 3-pointer di Obra. Quintano para sa board. Nakalusot sa dalawa. Binabagabag ni Kobe. Gumulong lang yung bola, palabas.
So tradition, Batong Basin Giant checking in for Santa Rosa. And Lozano checks in for Los Baños. 17-second shot clock. Also tradition for Los Baños. Hidil checks in.
Oh, double duties tayo ngayon, partner.
Multitasking ka nga eh. Pero alam mo, bumibilib ako partner sa'yo kasi nakakaya mo yung ganyan eh. Ako talaga noon, talagang purong venue announcer eh. Pero ganito na rin. Kumbaga parang hindi lang sa live, but you can also hear me inside the venue.
So ito, pagkakataon ng Santa Rosa partner. If you're aggressive, you'll get a lot of fouls. That time, Los Baños nasa penalty na. Isa pang nakita ko dito, pinag-aralan ko, Dave, yung mga previous games sa playoffs ng Santa Rosa, they always missing free throws in the second quarter and then the fourth quarter. Siguro, ang kulang na lang dito yung familiarity and how to withstand pressure.
Yes. Yung makikita natin is we still have 2 more quarters to count with Hayat all the way to the top.
So back to an 8-point lead for Los Baños. 3 minutes and 49, 32-24.
Lozano. They go to Kobe. Back to Lozano. Mula sa gitna. Atake. He swings it. He could have tried that angle. Ends up with Baltasar. Bounces it back to Lontok. Hinahanap niya si Lozano on that angle. Kasi nakuha yan eh. Lopez. Taken away with Baltasar. The Dragon passing is good for Elby.
Nice pass.
But when it comes to ball movement, isang magandang part yan sa LB eh. They know where to pass the ball. And they doesn't even care. They don't even care kung medyo naro na yung angle ng papasahan yun eh.
So penalty na naman dito Los Baños. So far, ito steals update tayo. Los Baños had 5 steals at ang Santa Rosa has 4. Wow. This is going to be a defensive ball game na naman.
Chris looking to cut down the deficit back into a single digit.
And I think he's a pretty good shooter.
And mukhang hindi nagiging maganda yung takbo ng mood nito si Coach Raymond eh. We've seen that style of coaching ni Coach Raymond Ferrer multiple times in this conference. He's not a happy man right now.
Yeah. Again, pumasok na si Rizano, kanilang backup point guards for Los Baños.
Imagine, Alan Gamwak has that 39-point career high in a single game, ha? Ganun katibay yung ace player ng Santa Rosa.
Ang dami nilang scoring options.
Nagkabol-bol na sila doon pero napunta na yan sa Santa Rosa. Chris will attack the right side. Siguro Intano. Nasa likod niya si Hayag. Inaantay pa niya makapwesto. Hiningi ni Aaron yun. Shot lock down to 10. Jeet. Got the defense coming from LD.
I'm not this guy. Yun ang tinatawag ko, Jandar, because he can slice and dice. He can also shoot outside.
Baltasar. Back to Yuan. Pinil. To CJ. Free throw line jumper. Wala. Inabot pa rin ni CJ yun. At mula doon sa baseline, mapafoul siya.
Wala pa sa penalty ang Santa Rosa. Only the first team foul partner.
Na-reset yan sa 14. Lozano on top of the key. Siguro CJ Rejano from the baseline. Baltasar puts it up. So, ito na Santa Rosa. Hayag. Looking for cheat. Naabot pa yan ni CJ.
Weak pass yun, partner. Foul.
But Chris doesn't want to give up on that side. He steals it away from you. At nakuha na naman itong si Rejano.
And Dave, so far in this battle, we're seeing a helter-skelter basketball.
Ang daming steals.
Yeah. And so far, ang update natin sa steals, Los Baños, 7 steals. Santa Rosa, 6. Dikit.
Dikit lang talaga yung mga steals na yan. Those fast break interceptions are executed very well by both sides. Lock up for 3. So good. Ignacio. Back to G. Quintano. Kicks it out. Nakakita si Hayag. Ignacio para sa board. He hooks it. And Aaron will face the line for 2 shots.
Penalty situation. 2 free throws, Aaron Ignacio. So ito naging problema ng Santa Rosa. Sometimes nakaka-make sila pero madalas halos 70% of the time na i-shoot nila yung free throws.
Well, he missed 2 out of 2 there. Dalawa, no?
Yeah, dalawa.
65 seconds to end the first half. I go to JB. Back to Allen. Lock up from the baseline. Di umawa. Papunta kay Lopez. Quintano. Igor Ignacio. Pick and roll defense. Oh, offense was there. Oh, what a pass!
Oh.
So we've seen that yung play ni Galicia, play ni Dadang tsaka ni Tibar, ganun eh, no?
Talagang nagkakaamoy na sila, partner.
Well, mabuksan na kaya yung momentum dito Santa Rosa. Time out muna tayo. 33 seconds left. Siyempre, pinsasalamatan po natin ang ating mga sponsors ng Quatox Chaong, AG Sports Apparel, San Francisco Massage and Spa, Reef Sarap, ang Certified Viajero, Kuya Word Cafe, Brotherhood Barbershop, and Food Concept by RC Boy Princena.
Makatikim nga ng Kuya Word Cafe. Parang ako weird.
Siyempre, WCA Travel.
Yeah.
And of course, ang ating putihing Mayor Ross Rizal, dapat magsilbi dugong bayani.
Congratulations for him for a fresh start. Another fresh mandate starting June 30. At syempre, congratulate ko na rin ang magiging magiging bagong governor ng Laguna, Governor Sol Aragones.
Congratulations po. And back to the ball game, 20 seconds. Rehana for 3. Oh, look at Allen from the secondary. What a offensive board from Lakap.
Pero teka muna, may foul. Oh, may technical.
Allen.
Kasi ang coach sa partner, hindi ka pwede mag-enter sa
Whistle
court.
for a technical. So he is pointing out the referees, and it seems like yung referee natin hindi nagustuhan niya pagduro sa kanya.
Bawal kasi yun.
Technical na tinawag eh.
Actually, parang nakikita ko sa signal niya, technical for pointing and using finger to the referee.
Well, some of our fans understood na medyo nagulat si Allen. But that action, yung naituro niya, you know,
pero siyempre, partner, ang crew chief natin, nire-reviewin ko ano nangyari para sigurado sila sa tawa.
Mabilis ang review ito ng ating officials.
That's right. At siyempre, partner, habang, wow, what a crowd. Almost 8,000 na fans at siyempre, nire-review po yan ng ating mga table officials sa ating review center natin doon sa nangyari. Almost an overflow crowd here. Let's see that again in a replay. Ito yung nangyari. Ito yung screen. He goes left. He fires a 3-point shot. Hindi pumasok. Pagka-rebound ni Lakap, ito nangyari. Nagkaroon ng konting gilian. Extra motion.
That what we saw.
Now we have a review ng monitor.
Ayan ha, kita-kita ng mga fans natin. One good thing lang dito sa arena, meron kasing dalawang LED board na malaki and those reviews are being played, just like what we are doing.
Pura pa itong LED sa gitna, hindi pa gumagana yan.
Hindi pa natin kasi inaayos dito, we were trying to fix that. Pero maganda na rin yung may LEDs tayo doon. Yung mga fans natin, nakikita yung nangyayari.
Kita yan lalo na sa gallery section. And we're almost 65% of the crowd. We're expecting a final spectacle.
Siyempre, bauti ko lang pala ang puting kapitan ng Barangay 4. Kasama natin ngayon, Cap Georgie Emergo.
Let's see that again on the other angle. So let's see that again this one. Ito yung pick and roll play. Pagkatira ng tres, defensive rebound nila Cap. Here's what happened. After he made that shot, take a look at this. Nagkaroon ng gilian. Boom! Extra motion.
But what makes everybody shocked, yung technical call kay Allen Lakap. Kasi he was pointing our referees
Hindi tawag na pointing, accusing finger to official. Bawal yung kahit sa FIBA rules.
So technical free throw will be delivered here by Hayag. We still have 12 seconds left in this first half. Muli po Dave sa Pinoso kasama si Kuya Ryan Paro.
At partner, painit na painit. And we have an almost 75% of the capacity ay nandito na sa JRC.
So yung mga may balak pang manood dyan.
Pwede pa!
Pwede pa! Doon sa itaas na kayo.
Gallery section.
Sa third level na kayo dahil puno na itong
puno
baba.
Na yung
second level, puno
na yung lower box, gallery section. Pwede pa.
Again, our Sports Commissioner Cap JJ Maghirang is very happy to see 1,000+ people watching our Intertown Conference.
And it's my pleasure to cover dahil sweteng-swete ako dahil kahapon nag-NCRA ako sa Dasmariñas. Hindi ko na kailangan umuwi ng Maynila. Matulog lang ako sa Imos, tapos biyahe na dito sa Calamba. It's so easy.
Parang ilang oras ba from Imos to Calamba?
It's just an hour and a half. By SLEX. Baba ako ng turbina.
Cavite lang naman kasi.
Tapos dumaan ako ng Dangahari para iwas traffic sa Aguinaldo. Yes. Wais!
Wais! Kaya pala sabi ko, nagtatawa kanina pagdating namin ng venue. Oh, Kuya Ryan was already there, nagpa-practice na. Ayan po mga fans natin. Kuya Ryan Pajaro, isa sa mga pinaka-idol kong panelist. Nauna to si Kuya Ryan sa Velvet. Season 1. Season 1, 2, 3, Kuya Ryan was their panelist. Season 4 na po ako pumasok. At eto na. Sa kauna-una ang pagkakataon, magsasama kami dito sa Calamba Coliseum.
Right. And this is the home of Dave, home of Dave ito. At ito na, parang nagmimiss tulang palayok na ang arena na to.
Pero hindi palayok dahil malamig sa loob ng arena.
Partner, final 10 seconds before we end the half.
Final 12 seconds. CJ has the possession here. He kicks it back to JB. Baseline shooter. That would have worked. Taken away by Jeet. The fast break play. Tuhayag. Oh! What a block! Coming from that small player.
Dave, remember what Kenegebe Motomo says? No, no, no!
Can we take a look again on that power block coming from CJ Rejano?
Let's see this.
So
On the pass break, there's a pass. Not in my house, Super Paul.
That was really nice block. At dahil dyan, matatapos na ang ating first up. Magbabalik tayo. Halftime break muna tayo mga ka-Intertown. This is State sa Pinasok. Kasama si Kuya Ryan Paro.
Pagkaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Kasama ko ngayon Sir Glenn De Chavez, ang founder and program head of the LBDL Los Baños. Sir Glenn, magandang gabi po sa inyo and welcome to the Sarisol Coliseum, isa sa pinakamalaking venue dito sa buong Laguna.
First of all, congratulations kay Cap JJ and sa buong Velvet team for a very successful Velvet Intertown. No? Salamat sa Velvet.
Sir Glenn, isang karangalan po na magkaroon ako ng hashtag interview sa inyo. Sir Glenn, how do you see Velvet on the past months? Ano po ba yung mga naging insights natin? Ano yung naging epekto nito, especially sa mga kabataan natin in Los Baños? Dahil yun po yung lugar ninyo Doon mas marami tayong mga players na natutulungan and syempre mas marami tayong players na nadi-discover just like what you or what everybody is seeing earlier, yung Los Baños team.
Sir JJ and Velvet team and LBDL is one pagdating sa development ng mga youth in terms of basketball. And nagkakaisa kami ni Cap JJ pagdating sa gusto namin mangyari para sa buong Laguna when it comes to development ng mga bata through basketball.
Siyempre, na-mention niyo po kanina that there are plans this year na mag-tie up si Velvet and LBDL. Can you discuss and can you tell us more about those plans, Sir Glenn?
Yeah, we started with Laguna Inter High School. We will pursue with the second Laguna Inter High School coming this school year. Then we are also planning for yung younger age bracket para sa Intertown. And sa mga ball clubs, meron din kaming plano nila Sir JJ. So lahat ito para sa kabataan ng Laguna.
Thank you so much, Sir Glenn. At baka po may gusto kayong batiin, pasalamatan yung mga manonood sa ating live stream. Kahit medyo nagkaproblema tayo sa internet and this will be late posted, this is your chance to get those people.
Yeah, thank you very much sa buong Los Baños sa sumusuporta sa buong team ng Los Baños. Salamat sa inyo. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Pero hi muna sa napakaganda ko asawa. Hi, Trish. Love you.
Thank you so much, Sir Glenn. Velvet Chavez and program head and the founder of the LBDL. We're on the halftime break. Magbabalik pa po ang Velvet Intertown. Stay tuned lang kayo, mga ka-Velvet.
Basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakat ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga liga.
The lead for Team Santa Rosa. They control the ball, attack, so they can attack the basket. And they focus on their advantage, which is speed. At sa Team Los Baños naman, they will just continue their ball rotation and also their defense. That's why they're at the face of the game. Now, back to you, Dave and Ryan.
Thank you so much, Miss Yvette. Mukhang napadami-dami yung natanong ni Ma'am Yvette dun sa ating mga bench players, ha? Mamaya, mas magandang interview ipapakita sa atin ni Miss Yvette Cabanto.
Oo nga eh, nakakaigit eh. Pero anyway, let me analyze first, Dave, yung ating first half stats. Ang pinaka-importante stat dito, yung fast break points ha. Ang Los Baños had 14 fast break points as compared to only 6. Pero ang naging problema dito, magkabilang kupunan, both have 10 turnovers. At sa steals naman, lamang ng konti Los Baños, 7 to 6. And of course, for more halftime analysis sa lalong ito, ipasa natin kay Coach Ron Ferrer. Coach Ron, ano masasabi mo sa first half of both teams?
Okay, Dave and Ryan, no? That's the first quarter talaga. Santa Rosa started flat. So yung mga defensive schemes nila, they stayed in the half-court defense. So the 50-50 ball, hindi rin nagpabor sa kanila yan. But surprisingly, dun sa second quarter, they have gathered their defense schemes. And that's why they were there. Mapalapit yung numero. But Los Baños sticks with their game plan and defense. Sabi nga ni Coach Tec Moiles, no, they'll be attacking the basket. They'll be doing the defense as full court press lahat yan. First quarter, second quarter, nakikita natin. Wala, ubuson talaga ng gasolina. Kasi sinasabi nga ni Coach Tec Moiles, iwan nyo na dyan lahat. No? So ito yung mga nakikita natin. Hopefully they can adjust better for the third and fourth quarter. Okay, back to you, Dave and Ryan.
Thank you so much, Coach. This is the third quarter of action. We still have 2 more quarters to count with. At tatako tayo sa ating pinakamakasaysayang bakbakan ngayon 2025, ang Alaba kontra San Pablo.
That's coming up next in about an hour.
So yung iniisip ni Coach kanina na about dun sa ubusan ng gasolina, well, nakita natin kung paano mag-recharge yung Santa Rosa because they've been down by 13 points earlier and they ended this second quarter of action with just a 5-point deficit.
Pero kailangan dito mag-ingat Santa Rosa na huwag sila masyadong magtapon ng bola.
Tingnan natin how would they adjust in this time. Quintano, may tanga na bola. Gregorio Lopez, Chris, running! While pushing, Rejano, that's an offensive.
Charging foul, yes.
Tama ba? Running while pushing, charging.
Kasi kasi gumamit siya ng konting elbow para he did shove too much.
Lopez intercepted that pass. Here comes the sniper. Chapoy, 2 decks, manumbas delivers off the glass.
That's a classic fast break play for Santa Rosa Awas. Ilang beses ko na nakikita yan sa NDSL. Lagi brilliant ni Coach Ron Ferrer.
Rejano pulls up a long one. Ends up with U1. That's an air ball though. Balik ulit sa mga Rejano yan. JB, spin it, kicks it out to U1. He's out of time. Rejano will try to put it back. Rebound battle ends up with you. Henel with a drop.
You know, Dave, what I love about Los Baños, they're always a scrappy team. Talaga pag may mga loose balls, 50-50 ball, very alert sila.
Again, we see the same response on the side of Santa Rosa as Lopez will try to make some daylight. That wouldn't work.
Well, heard it shot yun, but meron pa sila 12 seconds on the shot clock.
Five-point deficit still. CJ. Degor Galang, Rejano, mula dun sa kanan, off the glass, napalakas. Pero mapupunta sa kanya. Keith Love finds Henel, Eric John. It's a miss as well.
Well, hindi ko pa nakalimutan ko mention na offensive rebounds, Los Baños had only 3 for Santa Rosa.
And speaking of that, Eric Chan babawi, plays up.
Pero di no basket yun kasi signal ng referee sa kickball from the backcourt.
Well, imagine how tall Eric Chan was. Pag magle-lay up siya talagang dikit na dikit eh. Just like other players na doon pa lang sa ilalim ng basket, nire-release na nila yung bola.
At lalo na pag nagsisigawan dito sa GIC, hindi na magkakarinig. Kahit dito ng referee, hindi na tayo magkakarinig.
Isa yun sa mga exciting moment pag nagsigawan na yung mga fans natin dito. Galang, try to flick it. So, I have to be in here. I have to be in here.
Oo. Hindi dito yun. Nakapatay yung mic ko eh. So anyway, Hanaban checks in. Ang score natin mga ka-Velvet, 38-33 lamang ang Los Baños ng 5 points.
Henel puts it up. Dio Obra, Yuan gets his own rebound. What a find is, bro. Intercepted by Evangelio. Oh, what an interception again coming from JB. Rejano, back to Henel. PJ kicks it out. And the stop jump is good para kay CJ.
That's pure. One triple pull-up and that's money.
Cyrus Jeff Rejano. Wanna push it to even further. It stays and it went out. Somehow it takes.
Are you kidding me, partner? The ball hit the back iron and stayed there for 7 seconds.
Parang ako nga lang nakita yun eh. Yung ganong, di ba normally kapag tumigil lang siya, mga 1 to 2 seconds lang, babounce na eh.
7 segundo, partner.
7 segundo.
Are you kidding me?
Balik sa Santa Rosa, bola. Hanaban. They go to G. G puts it up, forcing that spot. That would have worked. Yuan. Iiwan kay Galang. PJ. Back to CJ. Rejano with the fake. Diobra. Cross-court pass. Eric Jan pulls it up. Wala pa rin.
At least Los Baños trying their best to score pero hindi mubra yung kanilang outside shooting.
Mukhang mababa ngayon yung percentage ng Los Baños on those field goals. They've been missing point blank range shots. Lalo yung mga off the glasses nila. Kanina, umuubra yun.
At si Intano, partner, tinawagan ng warning for flopping.
First infraction pa lang naman yung partner. Pag makakadalawa, saka ka matay technical eh.
Katulad din ng delay of the game ganyan, di ba? So, nagkaroon ng warning, that's technical. Same rules apply.
The one-hander is good. As next one of us, we're making again a 5-point game.
So, he's backstopping JP Evangelio in scoring and rebounding.
And it is on the right side. We want to swing it around. Galang. Torrejano, Cyrus Jeff, sa gitna dadaan, catch and shoot. That's too strong para dito kay Aaron.
So this time, one crack at time for Los Baños.
Evangelio pulls it up. The sniper misses that triple. Napaw po etong si Henel. He wanna take it away from Losadas. And now Dex kicks it back. Hanaban! Sumabay ka pa sa likod. Huwag ka lang malikot, ang sabi ni John.
Well, that's under duress shot. He is very composed to take that shot and we have a foul.
Can we take a look at that 3-point shot? Muntik na mahuli sa likod yun, ha?
Yan yung mga partner, mga Steph Curry na kahit may imatay sa likod.
No fear eh.
Pinagpag lang. Maybe we'll have that on our end of third quarter highlights.
Galang. Papasa dalawa ang abante ng LB, CJ. Back to Yuan, Henil. Hinahanap niya itong si PJ. Galang ends up with a triple. Well, no choice si PJ dahil medyo malayo na siya dun sa arc. And he still has 2 seconds remaining para itira yung bola na yun.
Pero kapos eh. So that's why Los Baños had the shot clock violation.
So I'm expecting that we already have 3,000 plus attendees inside the Coliseum.
Not 3,000. I think this is at least 6,000 or so.
Henil up the secondary hit, lost it. Here comes Santa Rosa. Chip puts it up. And a win!
Alam niyo yung tinatawag, Dave, na shooter's bounce.
So already they got a 5-0 run, and just like that, naitabla na sa 40 na itong Santa Rosa ang laban.
It's only the second deadlock of this ball game.
Happy ka ng bola. Rejano with a quick pass.
At
pero hindi uubra yung pasa na yun.
At makita natin dito, Dave, si Aaron Ignacio, this battle for talagang todo bigay. He's now earning the major minutes. You only have a brief rest, huh?
Can Aaron fill up yung role dito ni Alan Gambak. Try to lead everybody to take the third place title here.
Whoa! You know, that shot, if he made, that answers your question.
That will answer kung talagang kakayanin ni Aaron dahil nasanay siya na may Gambak siyang kasama sa gitna.
And partner, Tico, may timeout ng Los Baños.
Coach Tech Barles will ask for a timeout. Napako sila sa 40 puntos. Magbabalik po ang Velvet Laguna Intertown 2025.
Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang
So, ilang minuto lumipas? 4 ata kung di ako nagkakamali.
That's right.
4 minutes having gone by, etong Los Baños nagkaroon sila ng problema sa transition. Maraming mintis kahit off the glass 2-pointers, even 3-point shot attempts, nagmimintis na sa side nila. Kasama natin yan, 2 Rejano, 2 Hilil, at Lontok. CJ boarding that one. Oh, what a time. Coming from Hanaban, here comes Losadas.
Tulak.
With a push. So kasama dyan ni Losadas, etong si Hanaban, Ignacio, Intano, at Evangelio.
And partner, makikita ko sa Los Baños, they're now running a quick 5. Dahil magkakapatid to, pareho mampilis, pareho maliliksi. So this is the battle of speed and versus the battle of power of Santa Rosa.
Mamaya, a battle of size and strength plus a battle versus a battle of speed and precision.
And both teams, yung mamaya, yung San Pablo at Calabang, those are the top 2 defensive teams in this tournament. Because they only allow the opponents to score less than 60 points in the playoffs. In elimination, 70 points. Pero habang papunta sa playoff semifinals, tumitindi ang kanilang depensa.
We're tied at 40. Rejano, they go to Kobe. Lontok, back to JB. He goes deep. And mukhang makakakuha siya ng foul doon.
At tingin ko malayo. Malayo pa sa penalty. Pa-penalty na pala ang Santa Rosa. So free throws dito ang Los Baños. He made the first. Yan ay si Lontok. The score now is 41-40. 2 minutes and 35 sa third quarter. He made both.
Kobe will get the Los Baños up by 2. Evangelio, titigil siya doon. Jeep, back to Chapoy. The sniper misses. There's an offensive board off the secondary coming from Hanaban. Matibay na yung hawak ni Hilil. Rejano finds U1 heading from the left corner.
And that's a good timeout to call by Coach Pereira dahil aayaw nilang mapaon muli ang Santa Rosa Los Baños sa 3-point onslaught.
A premier shooter will be forcing Santa Rosa to burn a timeout. 45-40. Magbabalik po tayo.
Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast kapag gumana to, champion tayo.
So that timeout is brought to us by RC Boy Princena or Cool Concept by RC Boy Princena. Muli po kasama natin ang ating Sports Commissioner Cap JJ Magkirang, together with his wife May Evelyn, watching live inside the Sarisal Coliseum.
That's right. Still have 1 minute and 55 at meron tayong foul.
Nagkakaroon ba ng ng tawag doon, kiskisan sa sound? Ranko! There is the long one. That three-pointer is brought to us by AG Sports Apparel, the official outfitter of the Velvet Media Productions.
That's the only way na makabalik dito ang Santa Rosa ang kanilang outside three-point shooting.
Tejano gives it back to Eric John. EJ is Velvet Lozanas. So they're still on the penalty situation, no? At iniinda rito ng Santa Rosa.
And
Walang-kulang 2 minuto pa yan, partner.
At medyo maigpit ang tawag ng ating mga referees because ayaw natin na magkaroon ng gulo pagdating sa finals. Now, partner, free throws will be crucial here as Los Baños. That's only their first miss after they made the last 5.
Eric Chun will be missing that second free throw. We still have 1.5 minutes to end this third quarter of action. Lamang ang LB ng dalawa. Hanaban wanting some space to offer it. They go to Japoy, 6 to shoot.
Wow.
What
awesome.
a snipe coming from the sniper.
And that's how he do. He just smooth as silk of that shot.
Dahil dyan, makakaangat na ng 1 punto sa kalamangan dito ng Santa Rosa. Rejano will try to answer. Ends up with a traveling violation.
So, Evangelio made a 3 in offense and in defense. He forced his defender to commit a travel.
Well, mukhang hindi magiging maganda yung naging sitwasyon dito ng Los Baños. And look at Coach Tec Boyles is seriously watching how LB is doing their offense and defense here as Franco makes a 5-0 run para sa Santa Rosa.
That is an excellent press break there by Santa Rosa.
Kobe, he gets Scarte with the floater, he gets it off the glass.
Kobe move, Kobe.
Favorite ba ni Kobe yun? Yung mga off the glasses?
Off the glass tsaka fall away pa.
Fall away pa. O mga fade away jumper.
Tapos may pump pick, drop step, baseline pa.
Franco, no. Ignacio, yes!
Yun, no? Para siyang trampoline, talo ng talon si Eros.
Henel at the buzzer. What a run for Santa Rosa, climbing back from 13 points down, and they ended up the third quarter with a 3-point lead, 50-47.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Velvet D-League Basketball Liga.
Back to live action. Ito po ating mga sponsors ng Velvet Laguna Cup, Quatogs, Tiao, AG Sports Apparel, Official Outfitter, Samples Specialist Spa, Rib Salam, Certified Viajeros since 2016, Kuya Bird, and also WCA Travel.
Sama na natin dyan ang Brotherhood Barbershop at syempre ang Cool Concept by RC Boy Princena. Maraming salamat po for letting and giving everybody the best Intertown Series and Conference, and also for supporting our beloved league.
And Dave, banggitin lang natin sa ating mga viewers, ano nangyari sa ating quarter score? In the first quarter, 18-16, labang dito ang Santa Rosa. And then on the second quarter, 31 ang Santa Rosa, 36 naman ang para sa Los Baños. And then on the third quarter, 50-47 Santa Rosa. Ngayon, para sa ating third quarter analysis, pasok muna natin kay Coach John Ferrer. Coach John, ano nangyari sa third quarter?
Okay, Dave and Ryan, nagkaroon ng adjustments sa Santa Rosa, especially yung coaches ni Santa Rosa, Coach Raymond and the coaches found way to break the press. Now they have the 50-50 ball. Then they stayed disciplined in terms of the execution ng plays nila. While Los Baños, patuloy pa rin. Nakikita natin until now, they're doing the press zone. No? So hopefully they could find their rhythm also, no, to get back dyan. But this game talaga, whoever will take the say, at least siguro 3 minutes of this can control the game, sila mananalo, I think. So back to you guys.
Well, tignan natin kung makakapitan niya na Santa Rosa. Currently, itong Los Baños are having a good run dahil naitabla na nila sa 50 ang ating score, courtesy of Eric John Henel on that shot.
And partner, sa tindi na analysis ni Coach Tropper, pati yung salamin niya nabasag.
Oo nga eh. But wait, Henel Brothers are rocking! Pretty missed that 3-point attempt.
Muntik na yan, partner.
Malaki yung tiwala nito si Eric dito sa kapatid niya that he can nail those triple attempts, but on that side, di umubra. Franco punches it through!
That is straight and true indeed, partner. At alam mo yung trust na yan, kung ihambing mo sa NBA na hindi ka lang dapat mag-rely sa 8-9 players. Dapat you have at least good 10 to 12 players who really can play quality 40 minutes of basketball.
Baltasar, balik ulit kay Henel, same spot. Eric John will try to attack the baseline, pero maiipit siya doon. CJ has 3 to go. Baltasar with a floater!
Oh, did he put a time shot? Just a second to go, he just threw it
That's
up.
a buzzer-beating floater, Kuya Ryan.
Grabe yun.
There's a quick response mula dito kay Losadas.
So basically, it is a seesaw battle, and we are just in the battle for third.
3-point lead, ladies and gentlemen. Rejano, back to Baltasar. Hinahanap niya si Yuan dun sa kaliwa dahil nasanay silang merong wingman eh. But it ends up with Rejano. That triple is a miss.
Good interior defense there.
Ignacio barreling his way through. Aaron lays it home.
Alam mo yung galaw na ni Ignacio reminds me of the young Rudy Hockfield.
Pero yung iba yung katawan ni Aaron, kumpara natin doon sa katawan, lapad ng katawan ng mga guardia rito ng Los Baños, medyo may kalamangan itong si Ignacio. Baltasar puts it up again. Same spot, different result. Now they go with a bullet pass. 10 to shoot. Eric John is free. Sinusukat niya itong si Franco. 4 to shoot. Oh, look at Yuan. Taken away by Losadas.
Parang kinuha na yung candy.
Well, somehow, sabi nga nila, it takes, a lot of strength pagbaba mo eh. Kasi there's a chance na although mataas ka tumalon and you can reach that level, pagbaba mo pa rin, doon pa rin nagsisimula eh.
Alam mo kung bakit nagtatawanan tayo habang expression? Kasi nung naaga na ni yung bola, binangga niya yung referee sa pass niya. At nawalan siya ng spasyo after pause.
Let's see what happened.
Look at the sequence partner. Pagkakuha ng rebound, ayan, nakuha yung rebound. So they're gonna set it up play. Pagkaagaw, let's see where's the steal there. There's the steal. Tago the steal. Ano nangyari? Binangga yung referee out of bounds.
Medyo nagulat yung referee ha. At minsan yan, alam mo yung parang kalokohan moments lang. All ba yung matuturing pag napanggami yung officials?
That's right.
Sabi ng ibang fans, ba't hindi tumawag ng fans eh? Kasi siya yung nabangga eh.
Alam mo, referee partner is part of the game, part of the ball game.
Anyway, this is our fourth and final quarter. Let's get back on the ball game. JB to CJ Butchesser.
And both teams, they improved their 3-point shooting. Kanina, first up, they only shoot about 30%. Now they're going to 40s.
Kanina pala nabanggit mo yung about the steals. 2 Rehanos are part of the top stealers. Top 10 stealers natin in the conference. Oh! Beautifully! Tama ba?
Yes.
Executed. A beautiful execution coming from Franco.
And the retaliation of a 3-point bomb.
Kalang. Sasagot si CJ. Isa pa ulit. That wouldn't work.
Ayan, kalawit rebound naman si Aaron Ignacio. 5-point lead for Santa Rosa, 60-55. Para punta na tayo sa 5 minutes.
Franco. With the leather. Degore Aaron, pinaayos pa siya sa sapatos niya. Ignacio, iiwan kay Franco. Shot clock at 2. Well, yun lang. Medyo nabitin.
Well, kulang sila sa awareness doon. They should have, somebody had yelled that there should be at least 5 minute shot clock.
Chano. Degoragalang back to CJ. Lock up Will Troy. That's a miss. Ends up with Rejano and he's looking for PJ. Pero naharangan agad ni Japo yun. 10 to shoot. They swing it around. Eric John down the middle. And it's foul.
You know, yung Hinil brothers na yan, they are very creative, and when they get inside, walang takot. They take it strong to the hole.
Well, you know, Eric John Hinil is a fancy player. He is fond of using fancy moves or doing fancy moves, lalo kapag sa ere, no? Matagal yung hang time niya,
At saka kung ikaw ang basketball server, makikita mo kainin na kapag ito na-reach pa din potential, he can be one of the good senior players in the collegiate team, maybe in UAAP or NCAA.
Yes. Pero isa pa, basic na tinitignan ni Coach Tech, free throw
Yun lang.
Free throw.
Ang nangyari kay Hinil ngayon, at that moment, he missed 2 free throws.
Well, Eric John has been putting less than 50% in the free throw percentage, as we can notice early in the first quarter.
And Dave, it will be an eyes of basketball server. Kailangan yung free throw shooting mo, bata.
So now, Aaron takes care of the rebound. Santa Rosa will try to push the lead to even largest now. Ignacio, nilipon! He misses that angle. And now Eric John will stop on a dive. He finds JB. Back to Allen. Look up the glass.
Tatlo pa sumalubong sa kanya. That's a quick movement. And
Hindi na wala yung triangle offense.
Great balance and great hang time.
Siguro that's one way of Los Baños to maintain balance, especially doon sa ikot lang bola. There's someone na kailangan kukuha ng emergency passes nila.
For the shot clock.
Japoy with a floater off the glass para kay Sniper.
And Japoy now feeling confident in this game at mukhang tatawag time at
Santa Rosa confidently executing those 2-pointers. At dahil dyan, makakaalamang sila ng 5 puntos. Time out muna tayo, LB. Santa Rosa.
Liga, velvet dilig, basketball, liga.
Come and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaaral.
Of the last quarter, this is battle for third. South Proven Basketball.
57-62 partner, lamang Santa Rosa ng 5.
And Mr. Rejano.
KB lights it up. That 3-pointer is brought to us by good concept by RC Boy Princena.
Grabe yun.
Matatapisan ang dalawa kalamangan dito ng Santa Rosa. We are 3.5 minutes away from the third place title. Tapikan ng bola, ends up with JB and now Rejano will try to push it. Galang. The ball bounces to up as Ignacio will be missing that spot. Uh-oh, look at Tanaban. Pero tuloy pa rin. No, Allen puts it up and he's blocked. Lock up ulit.
Ayaw pa rin.
That doesn't work.
5 minutes.
And our medical team right away. Pinuntahan agad ito si Hanaban. Ano mukhang nangyari na kay Ace Chense. Sa semento pa yun. Ito, tabla to.
Tabla to, so kaya naman. It will be much safer proportion. But still, if he started the floor like that, it will be a scary situation para sa Santa Rosa. And of course, mamaya, makakausap natin ang ating courtside reporter si Ibet to get a report on that. Pero if we can have a replay on this incident, kung ano nangyari after the rebound, kung pari-replay natin yung nangyaring injury niya, if we can have a instant replay, makita din ng ating mga viewers dito sa Calabao what exactly happened. Let's see this replay. Here's the shot. Here's the missed shot. Here's the putback. Battle for the rebound. Oh! It's an elbow. It's an elbow, pero incidental contact, partner. One more time. Here it comes. Here's the shot. Pagka-put back, hindi pumasok. Kuha ang rebound.
Look at Galang.
Boom!
Look at Galang. He's trying to defend.
So it's not going to be mandatory substitution, partner, para sa Santa Rosa because of that incident. So pahinga muna siya in a few minutes. Hopefully, if he's okay, he will be back. But of course, we'll have a report from event shortly.
Well, syempre, yung ating City Health Office, medical team ng City of Calamba, maraming salamat po. Syempre pa rin sa ating Mayor Rizal, dapat magsilbi dugong bayani. Back to the ball game. It is now 2 minutes and 45. The sniper, iiwan kay Dexter. Manumbas misses. Tapping ng bola, ends up with CJ again. Rejano, down the middle. There's an interception. Yuan wide open.
Oh.
Couldn't get the bounce. Almost a near seal, the sniper! Couldn't get him! And Franco will try to save it, intercepted by Yuan. Rejano pushing RJB with the hook. And right down his field. Down last 2 minutes yet, it's out the Velvet PJ Incorporated, the official broadcasting corner of the Velvet Laguna Entertainment.
And partner, ibigay muna natin to Yvette. He has an injury report. Yvette.
Thank you so much, Dave and Ryan. Grabe ang pagka-intense ng laro at may halong kaba at excitement dito sa Coliseum. For Team Santa Rosa, they plan to tighten defense and they expect players in the corners, and they also had an injury timeout for Team Los Baños. The coach said tulungan sa rebound. And that's all. Thank you, David Ryan.
Well, yung nakita nga natin kanina, thank you so much, Miss Yvette, yung nakita nating injury, pero mild injury lang yun kay Ryan, pero syempre delikado dahil ulo Pero it's good to see and to happen na hindi masyadong malala. Hindi naman lumalala yung pagkakauntog doon ni John Hanaran. So we are under 2 minutes. Santa Rosa is up by 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Hintano will try to attack this. Nahuli ni CJ! Rejano all the way! Fernandez got for CJ!
Nice comeback by Los Baños.
Santa Rosa!
CJ Rejano gets the LB back on the lead by 1. We are under 1 minute and 37 seconds. Sounding fourth and final frame. Time out muna tayo, Santa Rosa.
One timeout. A replay din sa
ng mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalandikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to champion tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, liga.
Okay, balik tayo. Minute and 37 seconds remaining. What a comeback here by Los Baños. 63-62. Isa na lang time at Los Baños. Ang Santa Rosa meron pa dalawa. And we have here Dave Espinosa for the play-by-play.
Yes,
so 63-62. That is the 1-point game. And a beautiful layup coming from CJ kanina. Tignan natin kung makasagot itong Santa Rosa. The sniper with the leather. Chapoy working against PJ, 4 to shoot. Jeet has to make a decision. Well, ends up with Ignacio is battling for the possession. So Coach Raymond doesn't want to have a challenge kasi pag nag-challenge siya dito, he will be forced to burn a timeout. Eh, ilang timeout na lang nalalabis sa Santa Rosa.
House rules ng Velvet League.
As much as possible, yung 2 timeouts niya, gusto niyang itira yan sa final minute ng game. In a worst case scenario, here comes Serrano. On top of the key, dead to shoot for JB. CJ launches it. Diobra and a foul. Napaupo itong si Evangelio.
Oo. Well, at least for that time being na nagbabago sa rebound, the thing that will separate the third placer from a loser is the will to survive and the will to win. Now, it's important here for Los Baños and Santa Rosa, who has the heart, who has the guts more on that last minute.
Last 1 minute. Oh, Franco lost it. CJ all the way.
Wow.
What a flight coming from the header to take the third placer here.
That turnover cost Santa Rosa 3 points.
Now, let us see kung makakasagot itong Santa Rosa. They're down by 3. Hanabon up the glass. Allen for the rebound. Nandito na ito si CJ. And he wanna go deep.
Yes!
With a support after that awesome layup.
And Wagner, I can safely say, Los Baños loves clutch. Take a look at this replay. After that mad scramble, nakuha na rebound, they get the ball. And now, hindi tayo magbe-break. Tutuloy tayo with the last 27 seconds. Our score is 67-62. Pwede pa ito sa Santa Rosa. This is a 2-possession game. They need a 3-point shot to come back.
NSD will light up everybody here inside the Cedesal Coliseum. Ito na yung sinasabi natin final chance ng LB magkaroon ng place eh.
At syempre, pasalamatan natin mga sponsors, School and Conditioning Services, and Prisnera.
That power move, but it's up in the cool concept by RC Boy Prisena. 5-point lead for LB. First of the 2 remaining timeouts neto si Coach Raymond. Nagastos na. 27 seconds left. And away from our main event, the historical final matchup. Ignacio with a quick turn.
That's how you score a quick turn. Now you need to get that defend, and Santa Rosa takes errors to get a foul, and they are already in penalty.
But it takes just 3 seconds, if I'm not mistaken,
yan
na naka-score ito si Ignacio eh.
Makikita naman natin dito ang Santa Rosa. Nandun naman yung game plan niya. It's just that yung breaks of the game, yung mga passing lanes sila, ay nababasa unti-unti ng Los Baños. So may chance pa dito. He missed the first free throw. 23.3 seconds partner. 67-64. He needs to score at least for a 2-possession game. He missed more.
Ewan with a great rebound. And he will give it back to Allen to pick up a foul. Another chance for LB. Matagdagan pa yung 3 puntos sa kalamangan.
That time sa box-out tactics, mas yamado dito a Los Baños.
Franz Ewan Hinel. He is one of those keys talaga eh. Nung laban nila ng Kalamba, siya rin yung nagbigay ng NSD Spirit. Yung 3-point shots niya, 5 magkakasunod.
4-point game, 68-64, 18.2 seconds.
Allen Lacap will miss that.
It's a late violation.
Throw.
Wala yan. Late violation yan. So, bola ng Santa Rosa. Ito partner. Yes, ito partner. Last ditch time na ito sa Santa Rosa.
4-point game. Hanaban will try to make it very quick here. 13 seconds. John, they go to Jeet. Intano launches it. No! JB for the rebound! And a foul!
I think that's it.
And it's almost Santa Rosa will be ending their journey tonight.
And Los Baños is just 3 seconds away from bagging the second runner-up trophy.
3.7 remaining time.
So ito Panther, icing on the cake na lang to.
Eto na. 7,000 katao to. Ako ko susuma, 7,000 people ang nasa loob ng Jose Rizal Coliseum.
Remember, the seating capacity is 8,001. And the maximum capacity is 11,000.
We are 3 seconds away from our main event. And LB will be our third placer. What a performance para sa mga bata ni Coach Tech. Talagang yung NSD spirit ang nangibabaw dito. At dahil siya, magkabalik tayo. We're going to have an interview with our best player of the game.
Our second runner-up for the Red Laguna Cup, Los Baños!
And the South Normal Basketball, headed by Chairman J.J. Magira.
Din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago.
So what a performance, Elby, giving the NSD spirit tonight. And third place so kaya, but it's really a good run para sa Elby, our best player of the game. With 18 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals and 1. Great block kanina, CJ Rehano. What a performance tonight. Ano mo sasabi mo, third place kayo?
Ako nga, nagpapasalamat kami ulit at bigyan kami ng lakas ngayong game na to at ginagay niya kami sa ngayong game at bigyan niya yung panalo sa amin. Then salamat din sa sumusuporta sa amin sa buong LB.
Well, marami talaga sumusuporta sa LB and they are expecting you to be back really stronger and better sa ating susunod na season. Ito na pagkakataon mo bago tayo matapos at pumunta sa ating main event tonight. Pasalamatan yung mga sumusuporta at lahat ng nagmamahal sa Los Baños.
Una, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sumusuporta sa amin sa buong Team Los Baños. Siyempre sa mga kay Mayor Baby Sumangit, then sa LBDL, sa GTG Foundation, then kala Coach Glenn, kala Tita Tay, siyempre sa pamilya ko, sa teammates, sa mga kagulang teammates namin, sa kampi ko, sa mga coaches. Salamat po.
Thank you so much at eto na. We are minutes away sa isang makasaysayang bakbakan na makikita at matutunghayan ng libo-libong mga kalambenyo, libo-libong San Pableo at libo-libong mga kababayan natin dito sa Laguna. A battle of Speed and precision versus size and strength. San Pablo taking on Calamba. Nagbabalik po ang Velvet Laguna Intertown 2025.
Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid, baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay, babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat